Namaste. Good morning. My today's topic is the food that heals. While our body needs food, needs fuel in order to produce energy, and food is required by all the trillions of cells which make up our body. The question is always that what food we should eat, or are there any superfoods? Are there foods which heal? What type of food we are eating? We should pay some attention to this. Since I am doing research on science of life and I researched on this field also, what I was eating: roti, dal, sabji, rice, milk, whatever things are our traditional, and I decided to do some research and make some changes in my diet, and I found the results were positive and it improved the state of my health. Also, I found less acids were being formed in my body and I was feeling more energetic, more fresh. Important point to note is that I found food is the God, and our kitchen can become our healing and medicine, or kitchen can also become food which gives us disease. Two important things I found which are very toxic and not good for health: sugar. White sugar should be eliminated. Refined oil also I find is unhealthy. So we have to make choices, and I found that the most nutritious food are the fruits. A breakfast full of fruits has very strong healing effect on the body. The fruits give us vitamins, they give us minerals, they have enzymes, and they are instantaneous source of energy. They have sugar also in them. So if we take breakfast of fruits, it will be very good and it has very positive effect on our health. It improves our digestion system, it reduces the acidity, and also it removes constipation because there are fibers in it. So in the fruits, I decided that I will change my breakfast, and my breakfast will be full of fruits. For example, this is papaya. Papaya is a superfood. Papaya is a superfood because it has fiber, it relieves you of constipation, it has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, high levels of antioxidants that prevent oxidation of the cholesterol, and fiber is there, so it contains folic acid, and papaya is a superfood. We should include papaya in our diet every day. Second, there are other things also. Here I have oranges which are rich in vitamin C, apples, iron, and then pineapple. All these fruits are very good. These is grapes, vitamin C, and pomegranates. These are antioxidants and very good for health. And I have chiku and banana also. So morning should begin with a breakfast full of fruits only. They are easy to digest too, as compared to any other food, and they provide complete nourishment to the body. This is one thing I discovered: superfood fruits. Another important thing which I found: curd. Curd is probiotic. It contains calcium, vitamin B12. It is good for bones, for teeth, and it has gut-friendly bacteria. Every day, 1 katori of curd which you make at home yourself is very good for digestion, and it has lactic acid which helps in shedding dead skin cells and is antifungal. Curd is a superfood, so I am putting that in the list of superfood which I have included in my diet. Amla. Amla is a powerhouse of vitamin C, and you people suffering from cold, cough, and so many things, and it improves liver function. It improves, it has polyphenols, alkaloids, it bolsters immunity, improves your driver function of phytochemicals. It has gallic acid, detoxification for fighting free radicals, insulin, and it detoxifies and flushing waste from your body. Amla can be taken in many forms. There are amlas, dry amlas you can get in the market. Curd superfood, amla superfood, all fruits superfoods, papaya superfood, peanuts. You can see that peanuts, what you can do, you can soak them in the night in some water. Peanuts are rich in proteins, fat, fiber, good fats, excellent source of magnesium. Similarly, almonds, very good cholesterol, they are good for us. Cholesterols. Chana gram also you can soak in the water in the night, and you can take 5 to 6 pieces. Everything 4 to 5 pieces are enough for our body. We don't need more than that. You know, the horses live on grams. They have huge amount of protein and strength for us. And one more important thing which we can include, refined oil is out. So what we are using, desi ghee. About 1 to 2 spoons of desi ghee every day provides very good. It boosts digestion, regulates blood sugar, improves reproductive health, treats, and good for eyesight, and even is good for insomnia. And it contains 62% saturated fat, high density, low cholesterol. So we are having some superfoods. Lemon is another one which we can include in our diet. When you get up early in the morning, you have taken 1 glass of water, hot water. Then in hot water you can put half lemon and drink it. This is very good. It will provide you a lot of immunity, lot of vitamin C, strength, cleansing of the stomach. Further, you are using walnuts, omega-3, rich in omega-3. All these diets are very important for us. So we have to include in our diet vitamins, mineral, enzymes, and easy digestible. Even digestion of the food requires energy in the body. The body has to work to digest the food. If you are eating heavy meals, if you are eating junk food, then what will be the result? Your energy will be wasted and your immunity level will go down, and you will become a diseased body, because a lot of free radicals will be created, a lot of toxic materials will be created in your body. They will attack your cells, oxidize, and then degeneration of the various organs of the body will start. So enzymes, the fruit and green vegetables are another boon which you can do. Green vegetables. Then flax seeds, you can include flax seeds. They have a lot of fiber. A lot of people are suffering from constipation. It will help. And chia seeds. These are some of the superfoods which I have included, and I am finding that they are very good for my health. Therefore, I hope that we can change and add superfoods in our diet in order to improve our immunity, in order to get more vitamins, minerals, fresh fruits, and in order to get detoxification of the body, rather than putting junk food in the body, or which will be only adding to many diseases and will produce lot of acids in our body, and then it will lead to many chronic diseases. तो नमस्ते, मैं आपको फिर मिलता हूँ नेक्स्ट टाइम. I hope we can benefit from this superfoods and include in our diet. Namaste.